Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply here at the Square, the facility that's run by a friend of mine, Rob Lockery. We're going to demo the Dirt Dragon to clean this commercial facility. This is 2 1/4 maple. This was an old pants factory. They restored all of the original floors. James Fitzgerald Flooring, did the sanding and the install of the patchwork. And we used Loba Invisible Protect. It's just beautifully bright. The wood is clear, clean. So the Dirt Dragon is, I'd call it an automatic mopper. So we're gonna scrub the floor and vacuum it up at the same time. We're gonna use Squeaky Clean solution in it. It can run with IFT as well, intensive floor treatment. It's a great machine if you're going to do a tie coat system, which is a sandless recoat system. Again, we have a recovery tank, we have a solution tank, and then we have all of our controls here. So we have the scrub brush, we have the fluid on and off, and we have the vacuum. And on this side, we have the amount of fluid that we're releasing. And then we have drum pressure here. So pretty simple. You'll have an indicator by sound when the tank is full. You can add some defoamer to the recovery tank. So we've got a brush on here that's meant for hardwood floors. There's also a brush available for tile, concrete, and terrazzo. Again, the unit is great for this facility. It's perfect. It's a commercial facility. A lot of foot traffic and areas where it just needs the debris just needs to be cleaned off. If it was a really soiled floor, I would run it with just solution and the brush, and then come back and turn on the vacuum and do it again. But we'll see how it is. So that does not have the vacuum on it. That is the vacuum. So all I'm doing is moving the machine around, and I'm kind of playing with the water on and off. If you think it's too much coming out, just turn it down over here. So if you were regularly mopping the floor, that's how it would come out. And the problem with that is you don't want that staying on a wood floor, because somebody leaves, they come back, and you start buckling. Just have to keep an eye on the brush. The squeegees will wear. That means your tank is full. When you're starting to leave material behind and it's not picking up. So, the ball is coming up.
From there?
Yeah, you just grab it from there, and we'll go empty it out. So thanks for watching. Thanks to Rob Lockery and the Square. Thanks to James Fitzgerald. Beautiful job. Nice work. And if you'd like to get more information on the Dirt Dragon, You can go to cityfloorsupply.com or call 1-800-737-1786. But I'd say that looks like it was when it was first coated.